Introducing the 2024 Ford Focus 1.0L Eco Active 125 horsepower MAN, 4-door in sleek black. This hatchback is loaded with top-notch features like air conditioning, Bluetooth, satellite navigation, and more for maximum comfort and convenience. With safety features like ABS, collision avoidance braking, and multiple airbags, you can drive with peace of mind. The stylish exterior boasts roof rails and privacy glass, while the interior offers cup holders and luxury trim. This vehicle comes with a full health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and is serviced to manufacturer specification. Visit spiritmotorgroup.ie or call us today for more details.